In the previous video, we talked about reality checks. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about system maintenance and how important it is. You want to do a reality check of your system for such things as water damage to building structures. It can happen to walls, sidewalks, driveways, patios. Water can be very damaging. And also plant life. If you're overwatering, underwatering, it can cause stress plant material, dead or dying plants. Another reason for doing a system evaluation on a monthly basis is to make sure that the system is running most efficiently, that there's no runoff, that there's no broken sprinklers, that it's not causing any damage to walls, to fencing, to patios, any hardscape structure, and that runoff's not occurring down the street and wasting a natural, precious resource. Okay, now we're going to actually do a system check. We're going to check areas that have too much water or too little water. We're actually going to check the irrigation components themselves to see how they're functioning. If the sprinkler heads are performing the way that they should be performing, if the drip emitters are performing the way they should be performing. Typically when we do a system check, what we're looking for, sprinklers work on the concept of head-to-head coverage. Meaning that one head sprays to another head and covering the distance in between. So what we look for is head-to-head coverage. We look for any sprinklers that might be low, leaning, sprinklers that are spraying out of arc, which means out of pattern, so they're not hitting the intended target. When doing a system check on a drip irrigation system, what you want to do is walk the property, check for any dying or dead plant material, turn the irrigation system on, let it run for approximately about an hour, and check to see if there's any water at that location. If not, there's probably puddling somewhere or there's some sort of blockage in the drip tubing itself upstream. Once every 3 months, it's a good idea to go in, turn off all your water that you have inside your house, go outside to the meter, take a look at it. If the meter's spinning, you probably have a leak either in a valve or in the main line itself, and it'll need further investigation.
Thank you for tuning into part 3 of our homeowner irrigation video series. Think you're ready for an advanced course? Well, DLC's own Brian Condrey will be back in part 4 to talk about advanced irrigation programming. Until then, find us online at dlcresources.com, dlclearningcenter.com, or facebook.com/dlcresources.